If your Nintendo Switch shows the game card could not be read even when the card is properly inserted, don't worry. This often happens because of dust, a slightly misaligned cartridge, or a temporary software glitch. I'll guide you through the simplest and most effective fixes to get your game working again. Let's jump right in. Fix 1. Remove and reinsert the game card. Gently remove the game card from the slot, then restart your Nintendo Switch. This part is important. Press and hold the power button for 3 to 4 seconds. Now select power options. Choose restart from here. Wait for your Switch to restart. Now reinsert it slowly and firmly until you hear the click. Make sure the card is not tilted or off center. Check if the message goes away. Fix 2. Plug in a headphone. This might sound completely irrelevant, but the power sources of your Switch card reader and headphone jack are connected. So when you connect your headphones to the slot, it might trip out the auxiliary port and make it short circuit, which will lead to the card slot detecting your game. Insert a pair of wired headphones into the headphone jack at the top of the console. Leave them plugged in for a few seconds, then remove them. Now try inserting the game cartridge again. It sounds odd, but it's worked for a lot of people experiencing weird cartridge reader glitches. Fix 3. Clean the game cartridge. Take out the game card carefully. Use a dry microfiber cloth to gently clean the gold contacts on the back of the cartridge. If you have rubbing isopropyl alcohol, then you can use it to wipe the part more effectively. Wipe in straight lines, not circles, as it can damage the area. Also, avoid using any liquids. In the meanwhile, you can also use a can of compressed air or gently blow air into the cartridge slot of your Nintendo Switch. Dust inside the slot can also block the connection, so this might help. Don't poke anything inside, just a short burst of air will do. Now reinsert the cartridge and test again. I hope one of these fixes worked for you. Try them a couple of times, since sometimes doing it again helps. If it still doesn't work, it's a good idea to take your device to a professional repair shop. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching until the very end.